Porter Studio is a self-contained 4-track recorder and mixing desk which records on cassette at double speed. Up to 10 tracks can be recorded if they're mixed down onto other channels, but for this application I'll be using 4 tracks of instruments. The mixing desk comprises of 4 identical sets of controls, one for each channel. It has a 3-band parametric equalizer and mixing controls with a volume fader for each channel. To enhance the quality of the recording, Dolby C is incorporated, but sometimes effects and ancillaries are needed. The noise gate acts like a sound vice, switching on only when there's a signal from the instrument. This is especially useful when recording voices, as it eliminates any background noise. The digital delay delays the signal, allowing the operator to achieve echo effects. This gives essential depth and distance to the recording. For this recording, I'm going to use a basic synthesizer and a programmable drum machine. The drum machine is plugged into the input of channel 4 and a pre-programmed rhythm is selected. The VU meters are set on channel 1 so that they don't peak. This is done using the fader control below. With the equalizer controls on channel 1, the sound can be modified by adding or reducing the high, medium or low frequencies. This can then be put through the noise gate so the drum sounds are crisper. When the sound is right, the tape counter is reset using the 0 return. Then the play and record buttons are pressed together, which starts the machine recording. The volume on the monitors is set to a desirable level. The next part is to record the synth onto track 2. On the synth, we set the arpeggio control to produce a repeated sequence of notes and then pass this through the digital delay. The sequence is then played as a note. The hold button is used to hold whatever is being played, allowing you to adjust the sound and the sequence of notes. So far, the recording sounds like this: drums and arpeggio. The third part of the synth is recorded in the same way, but is fed directly into the Porter Studio. Instead of passing through any effects, during the recording, any part of the music may be dropped in using a drop-in pedal. When all the tracks have been recorded, the music must be mixed. This is done by playing back and equalizing the sound as a whole. The meters must be level so that there's an equal volume for each track. And when the dynamics of the sounds are controlled and mixed, the balance and placement of the tracks is controlled by these knobs. Finally, the volume of each instrument is adjusted until they're all relative to one another in volume. The finished music is then transferred from 4 tracks onto a normal speed stereo cassette machine.